अस्सलामु अलैकुम डियर, मैं हूं वहीदुल्लाह और आप देख रहे हैं स्मार्ट टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, हमने स्टार्ट किया है पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की पास टेस्ट पेपर जो कि पंजाब पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के लिए कंडक्ट किया था 2020 में। आज उसके MCQs नंबर 76 से लेकर 90 तक हल करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 है, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल वाज इन्यूल्ड अंडर ब्रिटिश मोनार्क किंग जॉर्ज V के दौर में तकसीम बंगाल की तंसीह हुई थी 1911 में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 77, द प्रोसीजर ऑफ शटरिंग द गॉलस्टोन एंड किडनी स्टोन बाय शॉक वेव इज कॉल्ड लिथोट्रिप्सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, चेंज द वॉइस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस। Do you know my father? Option A is the correct option. Is my father known to you? Question number 79. Study of spider is called archaeology. Option A is the correct option. Question number 80. Qingping Dam is located in China. जैसे कि नाम से जाहिर है, option B is the correct option. Question number 81. A mason fixed black tiles of square shape around a square room. There are 21 tiles on each side of the room. How many tiles did he need altogether? Correct option is 84 tiles. So 84 option is not present. Therefore, option D is the correct option, which is D, which is none of these. Question number 82. Lala Rajpat Rai was a famous Punjabi leader associated with Arya Samaj. Option B is the correct option. Question number 83. Which battle led to the birth of Khawarij? Battle of Siffin. Option C is the correct option. Question number 84. Jacob Zuma is the president of South Africa. Option C is the correct option. Question number 85. Hajar Aswad is installed on the wall of Khana Kaaba. What is the meaning of Aswad? Option D is the correct option, which is black. Question number 86. Salat-e Khusuf is performed at the occasion of lunar eclipse. Option C is the correct option. Question number 87. WIPO is the abbreviation of World Intellectual Property Organizations. Option C is the correct option. Question number 88. The Diamar Basha Dam is the preliminary stages of construction. It is on the river of Indus. Option D is the correct option. Question number 89. When a gas turns into a liquid, the process is called condensation. Option A is the correct option. Question number 90. The ED Foundation has the world's largest ambulance service. Option D is the correct option.